Mankind get so unkind, start moving greedily, crushing works evilly, without having a clue that police would have nabbed them so easily. Serious things are going on earth. I listen carefully to them words, yeah. 3 men charged in connection with the Trelawny church murder. Me soon reveal them names because justice must be served for. Welcome back to my channel, Great Amaziah. This is Amaziah the Great. Thanks so much for watching Poetic News Jamaica. As we read from the Gleaner newspaper but somewhat change up the flavor, we keep you informed and entertained. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so now, nobody avoid it. Also, hit the notification bell so as the news reach you will find it. Yeah, so like I said earlier, I read from the Gleaner newspaper. A direct link I got in the description, so if you want to find the story from that source, it will be there. Anyway, detectives assigned to the Falmouth CIB precisely charged 3 men in connection with the shooting death of 50-year-old Andrea Lowe-Garwood, a bank manager of Stonebrook Manor in Falmouth, Trelawny. So, I'm sure people want to know, these men are 23-year-old Leon Hines. He is said to be a storekeeper of Rose Heights, Montego Bay, St. James, who is charged with murder, illegal possession of firearm, accessory before the fact, accessory after the fact, and conspiracy to commit murder. 29-year-old Javan Garwood, otherwise called Janai. He is indeed the stepson of the deceased, who is charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder. As for the third person, we did already hear him turn himself in with his attorney. He is Dwight Bingham, who is charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm. They are all to appear in court, and we will definitely update you when that date is set. I will not forget. Some of our viewers already aware and glued to Wagwan, but I will repeat once more to those who new to Wagwan. On the 31st of January, it was a Sunday, not a fun day, gunplay right inside church. The police had reported that about 10:30 a.m. Lowe-Garwood was in her worship session at the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth when a man posing as a member of the congregation walked over to her and shot her several times. Jamaicans could not believe say in a church him go commit the crime. Pandemonium initiated, everybody started crying. Lowe-Garwood was pronounced dead at hospital while she undergoing treatment. John was start, what wrong with the youths them mind? The police them launched them investigation and gained information that there was a previous conspiracy between Lowe-Garwood's stepson, Bingham, and Hines. Their plot was to kill this lady, but neither of them had the slightest idea that things would get so crazy. The police are saying Hines allegedly drove a white Toyota Allion motor car transporting Bingham to the church, where Bingham, the alleged hitman, shot and killed Andrea Lowe-Garwood. As disaster unfolds in front of the church members' eyes, Bingham quickly ran out of the church and swiftly went back in the car that Hines did a drive. They escaped from the scene, but not for long them could hide. The police reported that the attack stemmed from a family dispute over property. What a calamity. This is insanity. Losing it all because of vanity. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziah the Great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise for going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziah the Great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziah the Great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.